Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I did these Easter nails as well as the 3-color ombre, so if you want to see that, keep on watching. So right now I'm just taking out the old nails from a set that I did before, and it's so easy and convenient. You can literally just pop the nails right out. You don't have to soak them or anything. And this is the fake hand from Red Iguana. Right now I'm just fitting the tips to make sure they fit properly in the fingers. And with this hand I use one set of tips to cover the nail bed and then another set of tips to add length. Now I'm just blending the tips so I can have a super smooth acrylic application. You don't need to do this, but I would recommend it if you're doing ombre. And now I'm just dusting that away, except I don't know why I did this because then I went back and filed it some more, so just skip that part if you're following along. But now I'm just roughing up the surface of the tips and cutting them to the length that I want and cutting the sides a bit so I can shape them easier into a coffin shape. Also, I know I should have cut them before roughing them up to save time, but I didn't know what length I wanted yet, so I did it in reverse. Then filing them a bit with the hand file to get them super straight. Right here, I'm just using this little dusty attachment that goes on the e-file. It works really well for getting dust off of the fake hands. Much better than like a normal duster brush. And giving them all a quick wipe with alcohol. Okay, so now I'm going in with this light blue acrylic color, which is Strut from Glam and Glits. And I'm just putting that on all of the tips right on the end and then blending back the edge so there's no harsh line and it blends seamlessly into the next color. Now I'm using Vanessa Nailz Pastel Yellow No. 3 and blending that down into the blue. And I wasn't as worried as blending back the top part to blend because I knew a darker color was going over it, so you wouldn't see any harsh line. Now I'm going in with Glam and Glits Made in Sweet and blending that into the yellow, also while making sure the cuticle area is nice and clean. And guys, I'm so upset about this, but after I got to, I think, the middle finger, my camera stopped recording. I'm not sure what happened. I think the battery might have died and I didn't realize, so it stops like halfway through. But after I finished the pink, I just encapsulated all the nails and then did a top coat. For that, I used Madame Glam No Wipe Top Coat. And then I decided I wanted to add some gems and a flower, so I filed off the No Wipe Top Coat on this nail and I'm applying some glue gel. This one's just from AliExpress. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but I don't normally use this. I'm just using it because it's not actually on a client. And so I'm just adding the flower and then adding the gems around the cuticle. And I realized it was easier to pull the nail out a bit so I could put the glue on without touching the skin, so I did that. And now I'm putting the No Wipe Top Coat on this nail and trying to avoid touching the gems. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. It means so much to me. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.